Hello and welcome to the Lazy Gardener. Today I'm going to be topping my onions to make sure that they grow nice and big. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of good things.
Here I'm just using some normal kitchen scissors and chopping off the tops of the onions, leaving about 5 inches from floor level left to make sure that they have good growth. Basically what we're doing here is removing all the weight off the leaves so that the onions don't prematurely bend over. As soon as onions flop over, they're done and they can't do any more growth. So this makes them produce more leaves and grow bigger bulbs, producing bigger onions. Onion topping can be done any time that the onion greens start to bend. This indicates that they're getting a little bit too heavy and they might cause the onion to fall over. The onion tops that are being cut off can always be saved and used in stir fryers and anything that you would use normal onions for. They have a great onion flavour. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm just sticking it in my wonderful upcycled harvesting basket and I'll take them into the kitchen and chop them up. This is a great tip to get larger onions, and I'll do this every time the onion leaves begin to flop over, just so that it can give them maximum time for growth. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.